You spent all night on that copy. AI gave you 10 versions fast. What scares people isn't that AI can write. Thousands of years ago, if something moved in the grass, you tightened your grip on the stone. You didn't know if it was a rabbit or something that could kill you. Now the grass is a screen, and the beast is a tool that writes, draws, and edits video. Ancient humans feared being eaten. Modern humans fear AI eating their jobs. That's what makes AI so interesting. It's just a tool. But when people first see it, they don't react to it like a tool. It feels more like something moved in the grass. You can't tell if it's here to help or replace you. Just like that, the ancient brain wakes up. That system is old. It isn't built for calm analysis. Its first job is to warn you. Watch out, this could be a threat. A copywriter spends hours on headlines. AI spits out 10 in seconds. A designer stays up all night tweaking visuals. AI makes one from a prompt. An office worker opens their phone and sees AI writing, drawing, and making video. At first, wow, amazing. Then a few seconds later, silence. Because now they're not thinking about progress, they're thinking, what about me? Does what I learned still matter? Is the thing I make a living from about to become cheap? Am I about to become the person the future quietly leaves behind? Most people don't hate AI. They're afraid that one day, what they worked so hard to learn won't matter anymore. Back in ancient times, the main goal wasn't chasing dreams. It was surviving. If the grass moved, stay alert. If a stranger got close, stay alert. If food ran low, stay alert. If something new appeared, stay alert. Today, there's less grass and more screens. Fewer beasts, more algorithms. We don't fear lions every day, but we do fear being chased by tech. When AI appears, the brain doesn't first ask, what algorithm is this model using? How much training data does it have? How big is it? It asks a much older question first. Will this take my food? Only now, food means your salary, your job, your clients, your traffic, your relevance. Ancient humans heard the grass and grabbed a stone. Modern humans see AI learn one more skill and instinctively check if they're still secure. Those actions look different, but underneath them is the exact same question. Am I still safe? Most old tools extended a hand. A hammer helps you hit harder. A car helps you go farther. A computer helps you calculate faster. But AI feels different. It feels like an extension of the mind. It writes, draws, mirrors your tone, and generates plans. It even does things we once thought only humans could do. So what unsettles people isn't just speed, it's that, for the first time, people can feel their abilities becoming copyable. The skills they've spent years learning can suddenly feel like a button. The place they thought was safe starts to wobble. That's the part of AI anxiety that really hits. It's not just the machines act, it's that they almost seem to think, but the truth is, this isn't the first time humans have faced something like this. When fire first appeared, it didn't look like a gift either. It could burn you, destroy things, and get out of control. To ancient humans, fire looked like a monster too. But humans eventually stopped running from it. They stopped throwing stones at it too. They moved closer, watched, learned, and learned to use it. Fire changed how humans ate. It changed the length of the night. It changed what safety felt like. It even changed how people sat together and told stories. Something dangerous, once understood, became part of civilization. AI is a bit like that. It looks dangerous, and it will change a lot. But if we only treat it like a monster, we'll only ever be able to fear it from far away. Every new tool makes people uneasy at first. People were scared of machines. People feared computers. People were scared of the internet too. Tools are never just tools. They reshuffle the world. Who uses them? Who gets there first? Who gets left behind? Who gets replaced or amplified? So the anxiety AI brings isn't just technical anxiety, it's positional anxiety. What people fear isn't that AI is becoming human. It's waking up one day and not knowing where they stand. And that fear creates a business. People tell you, if you don't learn AI now, you're done. Master AI in 3 days. Make money in 7. They tell you, ordinary people can get rich with AI. So many people aren't replaced by AI first. They get harvested by AI anxiety first. It's like an ancient human hearing movement in the grass. They should have paused and watched. Instead, someone jumps out selling stones. He says, this stone can stop every beast. Buy now, or you're too late. So for ordinary people facing AI, the first step isn't panic learning 100 tools. and isn't shutting the door either. Just like the first time ancient humans saw fire. The answer wasn't just to put it out. The real question was, can I get close, understand it, and use it? AI is the same. The real question isn't which AI tool is hottest. It isn't, am I finished? It's, what do I actually need help solving? What can this amplify for me? Those questions matter more than collecting 100 AI tools. Because the more tools you collect, the easier it is to feel like you're learning. When really, you've just found a new way to be anxious. AI may replace some jobs. But more accurately, it replaces repeated actions first. Repeated writing, drawing, organizing, searching, copying, and moving things around. Those things are getting cheap. But that doesn't mean people lose all value. Because the hard part isn't generating, it's judging. In the AI age, most people don't need to be technical experts. They don't need to chase every new tool. What matters is 3 simple abilities. First, can you see clearly? Can you spot real opportunity from anxiety dressed up as marketing? Second, what can you solve? Not what the tool can do, but who you can help and what problem you can solve with it. Third, what can you actually deliver? A graphic, a piece of copy, a video, a plan, a product, a service? AI can help you move faster. But whether people trust you, pay you, or keep watching still depends on whether you deliver value. Being scared of AI isn't shameful. If ancient humans weren't afraid of the grass, they probably wouldn't have survived. Fear is part of what kept us alive. But if you hold on to the stone forever, you never learn to use fire. AI is like that too. You can fear it, but not only fear it, you can stay alert. But you can't stay far away forever and treat it like a monster. So no, AI isn't a monster. All it really did was wake up a very old system in us. That old system once helped us survive. The grass, the beasts, and hunger. But today, it can leave us tense at a screen, anxious, afraid of being replaced. This is the alarm the ancient brain sounds whenever it meets something new for the first time. This isn't just your weakness, it's a shared old system. AI may take over some repetitive work, but it can also amplify the people who are willing to learn again. Seeing it clearly isn't about panic. It's about putting down the stone a little sooner and learning how to use fire. That's it for this episode. I'll see you in the next one.